really want to disturb them too much, but we are going to visit with them a little bit. Hello. Hello, everyone. Hello. Hello, everyone. We're hanging out. A little villain over here. Trying to get a little midnight milk snack. Little milkshake. Does her milkshake bring you to the yard? The yard. Yes? I agree. He's like, Mom. Hi. Don't eat me. Don't eat me. Are you enjoying your friend? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, don't eat me. Are you enjoying your friend? Yeah. Yeah. Don't eat me. Don't eat me. Are you enjoying your friend? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Squishy's gonna be your friend. You and him are gonna. Oh, Squishy's gonna be your friend. You and him are gonna go on many adventures. Oh, Squishy's gonna be your friend. You and him are gonna go on many adventures. Mochi little. I don't know. Is that your voice? You got a bit of a red eye there. Did you boop it? Did you boop it? Or is it the bugs? Oh, we gotta check that. We gotta check that tomorrow if it's not better. Could be the bugs because they're really bad. You know, are you gonna lose your socks? You're gonna have back socks? I think so. I think you can see where the black on his legs is coming out. That means that's socks. You're gonna have back socks? I think so. I think you can see where the black on his legs is coming out. That means, oh, cute. He is a cute, oh, cute. He is a cutie. Cutie. The white? Maybe a little bit. Oh, cute. He is a cutie. You just gotta show the, oh. You're like, oh, I wanna boop my head. I wanna boop my head, okay? I don't know about this, you're saying? I don't know about this. Hi. What do you think, Squishy? What do you think, Squish? Are you adorbs? You are adorbs. For sure. What do you think? What do you think, Squish? Are you friends with fella? You guys aren't necessarily friends yet. Maybe not yet. You're like, maybe not yet. I don't know on my butt. I'm gonna live stream till it dies, okay? Oh, you're so cute. With a little cutie. Oh, hello. Hello, little squishy. Hey, little squish. Don't eat that. You and fella, you two are problematic. You can eat all the fence, aren't you? You're like, well, we're teething, okay? We're teething. Squish. Come on. Come hang out with Squish. Come in. It's good for you. It's cute. You're like, oh. You guys are so cute. Hey!